Track pipe makes regular lighting track look and feel square. It's strong, reliable and functional like film and stage track, but we miniaturised it to make it work for architectural lighting. Track pipe sets a new standard for technical performance and circular economy, and we think it looks really good. Let's take a closer look at the advantages. Track pipe fits the exposed open character of modern interiors, because the reality is that low ceilings are not as popular as they once were. Building services are often less hidden than before. Raw, robust track pipe is a natural partner for the HVAC, pipework and ducting here at Attis designed by There's Light. And it complements the texture of timber, concrete, metal and brickwork surfaces perfectly. Track pipe is made from high performance stainless steel, so longer, cleaner spans are possible. Here at the Poppy factory, designers Henley Halebrown and Arup utilise 3-metre long runs in between the suspension points. Fewer suspension wires mean track pipe appears to float as if by magic, and the height adjustment is so simple, just push the button to raise or lower. These 99 spotlights are mounted with track pipe hooks and can be easily moved, tilted and rotated in situ. It all adds up to a clean, contemporary look. Track pipe is a dream to install. It's fast and there's less waste because, unlike regular track systems, 100% of the fabrication is done at our factory, not by contractors working on site. Individual lengths can't be shortened outside of our factory, but don't worry, our BIM files are millimetre accurate, and we publish 2D drawings, 3D drawings and a wide range of photorealistic CG renders to remove any guesswork and uncertainty from your specification process. As well as our standard wire suspension kit, track pipe mounting sockets will accept any M10 threaded bar, stud or unistrut type accessories, or 3/8 of an inch for our North American version. You're not locked into a proprietary system, so no on-site delays. Installation contractors can get on with the job. The reliability of track pipe's data transfer is also next level. Lighting technology went digital over the last half century, but the bare metal lugs of regular lighting track are fundamentally the same as Anthony Donato's original 1960s design, which was analogue. Track pipe works in a fundamentally different way. The integrity of our power and data signals are guaranteed by M12 connectors. That's the globally recognised standard across robotics, machinery and transport infrastructure since 1985, but only now is track pipe making them available to the lighting community for the first time. Arup used DALI control on this scheme, but 1 to 10 volt and Bluetooth are also available. Track pipe is a robust product that's been designed and built for a long service life. It's a flexible system that enables lighting to be moved and changed for small changes to a space. But that's not all, because the coupling and suspension sockets are compatible with standard HVAC and conduit fixings. Even the track pipe itself can be easily relocated to accommodate major changes to a space. It's also textbook right to repair, quick and easy to disassemble using standard tools and know-how. So as well as being repairable, it's also upgradable. At end of life, track pipe is supported by both Smaller Circles, that's our closed loop circular economy program, and Warn Lighting, our second user program. Track pipe sets a completely new standard for circular economy. It really is incomparable to the outdated design of regular lighting track. So how does lighting track work? Let me explain the anatomy of track pipe. Regular lighting track is made from extruded aluminium profile, but track pipe is made from lengths of continuous stainless steel tube for significantly more strength and rigidity. That's why such long spans between suspension points are possible. It's available in 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 or 3 metre lengths, and it's supported with accurate BIM files, drawings and visualisations. Couplers connect the tube sections together. They're available in L, T, X or through shapes, so depending on the couplers you select, many different layout designs can be achieved. Here at Blocks HQ, the grid plan utilises through, L and T couplers. Unlike regular track pipe couplers separate out the mechanical and the electrical connections. Each coupler slides over the end of the steel tube and an M5 steel bolt fixes them into position, creating a strong mechanical bond. Inside each coupler is space for the power and data connectors. They're push fit, so no tools, training or special expertise is required. Every 500mm spacing along the length of the tube, you choose to have a box or a blanking plate. Each box contains 2 sockets. Each light requires 1 socket. Boxes are charged for, blanking plates are not. So fewer boxes minimises cost as well as visual impact. More boxes offers more lighting positions. The maximum length of a single track pipe tube is 3 meters with 6 boxes and therefore 12 sockets and 12 lights. The minimum length of a single track pipe tube is 500mm with 0 boxes and therefore 0 sockets and 0 lights. It's a flexible system that can be configured to give a higher concentration of lights in one particular area, over a counter for example. Track pipe compatible spotlights are supplied with a 450mm long cable and compatible plug. Pendant cables are up to 5 meters. They're easy to plug in and they cannot be inserted the wrong way. Here at Alex Monroe's London jewellery store, designers ILC Lighting specified Factrolux Elverdale and 99 spotlights for ambient lighting and to accent the interior details. The scheme style is fewer lumens but more luminaires, so they opted for a box every 1 metre and therefore up to 2 lights per metre. Over at Block HQ, the scheme required fewer lights, so 1 box, that's 2 lights per 2 metres, was enough. For reference, they use Skin and Bones pendants plus 99 spotlights to highlight the interior scheme. Both products are track pipe mounted. Finishes are raw or black. Here at BXR they chose black track pipe with reflector XL to match the industrial chic. It's won many plaudits. To keep things minimal, we supply each run of track pipe with its own 48-volt power supply. It's simple to install and removes the need for local drivers to each luminaire. Track pipe is a young product, but we've already seen many wonderful creative applications from its early adopters. From renovation projects such as Thorney Barn with its exposed beams, stone and metal work, to art galleries, active fitness and well-being installations. Even a huge corporate project, the Warner Brothers London HQ, where designers Chapman BDSP and Spacelab used our black finished track pipe to redefine the office areas. So that's track pipe. Here's some specification information to consider. Like all Factrolux products, it's made in the UK and tested and certified to international compliance standards such as ETL for North America, BSEN 60598, CE and UKCA. Head to the track pipe product page for clear on-screen pricing. You can easily select technical options and generate renders, drawings and BIM data. Everything is easy to find, download and is specific to each product you build. Everything will arrive to your site beautifully packaged in precision CNC'd 100% paper-based packaging. It's optimised for increased protection and reduced transport, packaging weight and volume. Definitely no plastics.